Good day everyone, and welcome back to Free Ice Drop. Hope you enjoyed the day. And today we are going to be finishing the topic factors and multiples, which we started in one of the previous videos. And I treated factors, and today I'm going to be treating multiples. So if you know you have not watched the first part of this video, I advise that you watch it. Very important. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Like our page on Facebook, and also share this video with your friends and share the link channel with your friends so they can come and learn too. I really appreciate. Thank you. And now this is multiples, which we are going to be learning today. Now I will quickly start with what are multiples. Multiples of a number is the adding of that number to itself. Multiples means adding a particular number to itself again and again and again. Multiples do not have end, they are infinite, but factors do have end. The biggest factor of a number is the number itself, but for multiples, it doesn't have end. You just keep adding and adding and adding. So I will show you how they set their questions with a range. But for now, I will give you an example. For example, when they say the multiples of 2, this is 2 here. Let's see. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. So you see, the first multiple of 2 is 2. The first multiple of 2 is 2, and thereafter keep adding 2. Because they said multiples of 2. Don't add any other number except from 2. You first write your 2. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. 8 plus 2 will give you 10. 10 plus 2 will give you 12. 12 plus 2 will give you 14, and so on. So this is how to find multiples. This is how to find multiples. So multiples of 2 are these. And if they say the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. So you just keep adding. So I told you before, multiples are endless. So you just keep adding and adding and adding the same number to get its multiples. Now, let me show you one way in which they set their question. When they want to set questions for multiples, most times they usually say, find the first 5 multiples of this. Find the first 5 multiples of that. So let me do one of that question so you understand what I'm talking about. So now they say, for example, they give you a question. They said, find the first 5 multiples of 4. Find the first 5 multiples of 4. Now, this is what you are going to do. You are going to write first multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 equal to. Now, what did they say you should do? They said find the first 5 multiples of 4. Meaning, they need only 5 answers from you. The first 5 answers you get, that's what they need. So they don't want you to start adding and adding and adding until you fill your books. No. So they just said find the first 5. So I told you the first multiple of a number is that number. So the first multiple of 4 is 4. And then you continue. This is already one of your answers. They did not say find the first one or the first multiple. They say find the first 5. So now you go 4 plus 4 is 8. This 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. This is 3. 12 plus 4 is 16. This is 4. And 16 plus 4 is 20. This is where you stop. Why? Because they said find the first 5. If they said find the first 6, then you will be adding another one, which is 24. But they did not ask you to find that. So they said find the first 5. So these are the first 5 multiples, and these are your answer for questions like this. It's as easy as that. So let's quickly move from this and face the other part, which is known as common multiples. I taught you common factors and here too we will do common multiples. So this is it, common multiples. Now, what are common multiples? Common multiples are, like I said in the previous video, of factors and multiples. Common things are things that are everywhere. I explained that there, so if you watch that, I believe you already understand that. But this one is not common factors now, so these are common multiples. So what you are going to be looking for is the multiples that are everywhere. Please, if you did not watch the previous video about factors and multiples, I advise you watch that. It's very important for your understanding. So now, for example, we have the first question. They said, find the common multiples. Find the common multiples in the first 5 multiples. In the first 5 multiples of, find the common multiples in the first 5 multiples of 4, 2, and 4, 2, and 3, or 4, 2, and 8. Yes, this is good. So they said find the common multiples in the first 5 multiples of 4, 2, and 8. What does it mean? First of all, you will find the first 5 multiples of 4, 2, and 8 just the way we did in factors. I taught you this in factors. Just the same way we did in factors. You will find the first 5 multiples of these numbers. Then in those multiples, you will look for the common ones, the ones that are everywhere. It's as simple as that. So I taught in the former video, I believe you understand that. So now this is our answer. You have 4, you have 2, and you have 8. So we place them like this. What did they say? They did not just say find the multiples. They said find the first 5 multiples. I told you before, multiples are endless. So you don't start adding and adding and adding until you fill your books. So now they said find only the first 5. If it was factors, factors have end. Factors have end. So for factors, they don't give you range like this. But for multiples, these are the range. They can give you the first 6, the first 7. So now they gave you the first 5. You'll find the first 5 multiples of 4, which is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. These are the first 5 multiples of 4. These are the first 5 multiples of 4. So we'll start, find the first 5 multiples of 2, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we'll find for 8. This is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. These are the first 5 multiples of 4, 2, and 8. So what are we going to be doing now? They did not just say find the first 5 multiples. If they just said find the first 5 multiples of 4, 2, and 8, these are our answers. These are the first 5 multiples. But they now went forward and said find the common factor, which is the CM. Find the common factor. Common multiple. Find the common multiple, which is CM. For common factor is CF. So now this is CM, and I said find the common multiple. So how are we going to find it now? I told you common things are things that are everywhere. Now you simply check what is everywhere. This is 2. You have 2 here. You don't have 2 anywhere, it's not common. You have 4 here, you don't have 4 everywhere, it's not common. You have 8 here, you have 8 here, and you have 8 here, which is common. So this is it. 8, 8, and 8. That's the first one. So let's check if there's any other. You have 12, no 12 here, no 12 here. 16, 16, no 16 here. 20. So you see, the only common multiple we have here is 8, which means our common multiple is 8. For some questions, you can have 2 common multiples, 3 common multiples, depending on the range of the question. You can have 1 common multiple like this one. In some questions, you cannot have any common multiple. Some questions, they will not be common multiples. So the common multiple will be 0. Nothing there. You understand? So this is common multiple 8. for this question. So you see how to find it, just the way I taught you common factors. So this is how to find it, as easy as that. So especially for the younger students in primary school, so I'll be doing another video which is talking about finding LCM. Yes, this is CM, common multiples. So that one will be finding LCM, which is the lowest common multiple in a given question. The lowest common, it's not just any common multiple, the lowest one. So there's another way in which you find the lowest common multiple instead of writing out all these things like this. So I'll be showing that one, especially for the primary students, in my next video. I hope you understand what I taught here. If you don't, please try to rewatch, or you place your questions in the comment box. When I see it, I'll attend to it. Thank you. And please subscribe, like our page, and share this video. Share the channel with your friends so they can learn too. Thank you for learning today. I appreciate, and I'm really grateful for that you learned with us. So thank you and God bless you.